Before we start, I hope the lighting is good because I have my ring light just right here. I haven't used setup lighting, so I'm still adjusting to it. So I really hope lighting is good and you can see everything in details and perfectly. So let's jump into the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you the second method that I use to remove my neck hairline. So the first method is already on the channel. I'm gonna link it in the card description box down below if you wanna go and check it out. It's really effective and really nice, but it's a little bit painful, but not a little bit, not too much. But this one is like no waxing, no pain, nothing, but it's really effective and painless. So if you have a high threshold for pain, low threshold for pain, that you are very sensitive for pain, you can do the first method. This one will be very effective for you and I really love it, especially when I begin to use a hair laser on my body because I have a device now, so I can use this method to remove this hair for good, to laser it, but I didn't start it yet. But I really wanted to show you my three methods. So this is the second method. The first is already on my channel and the third will be on the way, so stay tuned for it and let's jump into this video. To do this method, it's really painless, no waxing, no pain, and very effective. I'm gonna use a razor. Yay! So I have two types of razors here. This is a gel fixture. It's men's razor. Actually, I use it for years and years. The handle is so old. I have it since I was about 18 years old or 17 years old and I still have it. I just changed the head, of course. It's really nice and I really love it so much because it's really cheap comparing to the female razor. It's Gillette Venus. So it's the same thing actually. This one with 2 blades, this one with 3 blades, they do the same thing, but this one is quite expensive, so I usually use this one for my body and face kind of a like shaving, but I use this one for the quick one if I don't have enough money to buy this expensive luxury things. I don't know why female stuff is more expensive than male stuff, but it's actually the same. So you have two options, like a cheaper one like from men's section or the more expensive, more luxurious one from females section. Oh my god, I didn't record a video from a while, so I feel a little bit weird in front of the camera and I feel like I can't talk. But anyway, so I'm gonna use this one in this video. Well, this one, I don't know yet which one, but actually they do the same thing. It's really weird when you have a S and then have a th after, like after each other. It's really weird. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you what I do because it's in the back so you can see. So you need a mirror handy with you so you can see and what you're doing, and you need to have a big mirror in front of you. So now I having my vanity mirror just in front of me and I have a handy mirror in my hand and I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this. So stay tuned and I'm gonna come back later to show you the final results. Okay, let's do it together, guys. So as you can see, I have a clip here to remove all my hair up. That's very important. You need to remove all your hair up so you don't take it like with you with razor, so it's very important. So I'm gonna use a gel picture at the beginning of this video to demonstrate what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I have the mirror in my hands, and I'm gonna use my left hand and go to the right side from the back and just make a guideline for me to show my hand where the blade will end and not go to my hair itself. So as you can see, my hair is fixed in this place. That's where the line that I want for my neckline, and I lift the mirror. So as you can see, my finger or my hand is a guideline, so I don't see what I'm doing, but I know that I will not take my hair itself with me. I'm gonna take just the small hairs, as you can see here, and go down, and above this my hair is protected with my fingers and my hands. So when I leave the mirror, I know that I'm not doing anything wrong. So as you can see, I'm not done. So when I look the mirror, I saw this, so I need to redo it again. And again, put it in my hand, the same level. This is a line that I need to keep, and I need to remove all the hair down to my neck. So as you can see, again, using the razor. Actually, this razor was, I used it for like a couple of times, and I didn't use it for a while. So I guess the blades become dull a little bit. That's why it's not removing the hair perfectly. It takes a lot of time. But if it's completely new, or the blades are sharp and nice, it will remove it nicely. I didn't realize while doing this until now. I begin to feel like there's something wrong. The blades is not doing its job as it should be. That's when I realized. So I'm gonna like change the blades or change the razor to the Gel of Venus right now. Now I felt it's dull and not sharp, so I'm gonna leave it and take the Gel of Venus. It was like kind of new. I use it like again a couple of times, but still sharp because it's new. I use it like from a couple of days ago, and it's still sharp and nice. And as you can see, it does a really good job removing these hair. This what I'm doing here, I'm looking at myself in the mirror, to my vanity mirror, to see what I'm doing. And if you are new, completely new, don't do this. I do this method for years and years, so I know what I'm doing. My hands know the way. So if you're a beginner, don't do this until you are completely know what to do. You need to keep your hand on your hairline, so like it's perfect. As you can see, I'm trying to refine the line as much as I can, so it looks smooth and nice. As you can see here, it looks so beautiful comparing to this part. I didn't do it yet. So as you can see, it looks completely different. Looks so beautiful and nice. So I'm gonna repeat what I did, but I'm gonna use my right hand from the back to help me as a guideline on my left side, and I'm gonna repeat the same process. So I'm gonna leave you now. I'm not gonna speed the video. If you like to speed it up on the YouTube, you can do it, but I'm gonna leave it on the speed itself, like the normal speed, so you can see the process on the left side as I did it on the right side. It will be, I guess, more obvious and more nice, as I'm using a nice and sharp razor. So enjoy, and I'm gonna come back and after I finish this. Okay guys, now I finished both sides, but the last thing I always do, but if you are a beginner doing this for the first time, don't do it. But for me, because I do it for like years, I do like very gently going to the periphery as you saw me doing, because you know, you need to practice it so you are familiar with what you are doing. So as you can see, just like go very slightly. Don't go too like rough, don't go in a rush. Just take your time and you place your razor where you really want to place it. And before you strike, make sure you are in the like in the good place. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just trying to like sharpen that line a bit, very gently. Especially I'm using my left hand because I'm right-handed, so it's kind of hard. For my right hand, doing it on the other side was so easy, but this one need practice. So like keep practicing until you feel familiar with your hands, your movement, and with your mirrors. Just don't rush it, okay? Okay guys, as you saw, it's really easy to unionize, but you need a little bit of practice until you are like familiar with using both hands on both sides. And the tricks that I use, using your hands to guide yourself when you're not looking, is the best, because you need that to not like damage the like end of your hairline, of course. So if you have two big mirrors in front of each other and they are stand, they don't move, that will be perfect. But if you don't, like me, and have one staple on the wall like my vanity mirror and have one in hand, so it's kind of hard to use a razor in holding the mirror. So the hand gesture or the hand movement to guide yourself is perfect. I use this method from years and years. I use it all the time and it's perfect, as you see before and after. Great difference. But the bad thing is just the hair grows in a couple of days, begin to feel a little bit of roughness because it's just shaving from the surface. But it's perfect if you are using laser. Do this method and use the laser and it will be perfect for you. So I really hope you like this video and it was helpful and you enjoy watching it and you can see everything in details and like it was good for you. And yeah, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and all social media. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.